Good morning, everyone. We are here for the forecast for the Reliance Fresh. The panel members are Kashish Arora, Swapnesh, Pradeep, and Prithvi. Is the marketing manager, merchandising manager, category manager, and specifically store manager.
You forget about them. You are sitting in a boardroom, you are doing a discussion. You forget about them, they are the observer, they are listening to you. Don't introduce within yourself. You are in a boardroom, you are moderating, you forget about them. Don't introduce for them. You do your discussion. Yes.
So we are here for the annual forecast for the Reliance Fresh. We want to know what is the position of what will be the position of our store at Kharghar in sector number 19. So, what is your viewpoint on the?
Being the store manager, as I encounter people day by day from morning to evening, I see people coming out for certain merchandise which is not available. Although my footfall is not reducing, but still the sale is not happening. The return which I am supposed to get out of the walk-in is not being happening. So I feel that my merchandising or the category which I am holding inside my as an inventory in my store is not what the people around the store expects or people in my catchment area expects. So
what do you think is wrong in merchandising? Where are you facing any problem?
Like exactly if I speak about, I have spoke to some of the customers when they say that the nearby Reliance store has certain things which my store doesn't have, and moreover the tradition is changing as the population is also increasing and the student potential is also increasing in Kharghar. The requirement is more of big food stuff, you can talk about eateries, the food items basically, and also the fashion apparels and stuff.
Well, from the marketing point of view, what I can say is, since it is February and it is the next month, that is March. That March is the end of the financial year. So many.
What is this? Why you people are talking?
There are many companies like whatever merchandise we have in our outlet, like we sell the apples and everything else. So if we have, there are good discounts which are available, because every company at the end of the financial year wants to have good amount of profit and to clear up the stock which it already has. So we get a lot of opportunity to do promotions. Since we will be getting the discounts from the manufacturers, we can offer much more promotions in our store.
We will calculate the sales figure after 3 months for the 3 months, next 3 months. We will focus on the category. Being a category manager of the base group, we have to focus on the category, because Reliance Fresh is only focused. The name suggests is the fresh for the vegetables. So in our store, sector 19, we will focus on the category so that we can attract the customers more, because our competitors in the market is Hypercity or any vegetable fresh outlets. So we can increase our sales.
Rightly said by them. We need to concentrate on the seasonal fruits. Now, since we are focusing for the April and May month, we'll concentrate on mangoes. And I'll assure that we'll get the best part of mangoes from best part of the world. Okay? And we'll get it in the right time. I'll ensure that it comes in the right time and right price, so we have enough sales on it. So I think we need to concentrate on mangoes, because mangoes is one of the most awaited fruits for Indian. They always wait for mango season. So what I feel is we can concentrate on that.
Yeah, rightly said. But also we'll start our promotions from the very beginning itself. We'll get new varieties of mangoes and do a lot of promotions so that the people are aware that we are having this kind of fruits in our outlet. So I think we can have a very good sales in the coming next 3 months.
Till now, we have come to the conclusion that store manager says about the footfall conversion problem.
The merchandising manager has told about the problem in procuring the raw materials and the stocks. And the marketing manager suggested that since this is a financial year ending nearby, so we'll be having good discounts in the stores. The category manager suggested to focus on the vegetables, that is a key product.
USP product.
That is the USP product of our stores, the Reliance Fresh. And again, Swapnesh told that we'll focus on the seasonal fruits. That is, we are focusing on the season, summer season, April and May. So we'll be having mangoes from different places. And good promotion, as suggested by Kashish, will be helpful for.
Also, what we can do is we can introduce some of our new loyalty programs. As the festival season is over and festivals in India, basically Diwali, and it was in October, November, and people have purchased at that point of time, but after that a lot of time has passed. We can again give a push to our loyalty program so that our sales get enhanced in the coming years.
See, this is the time when the students will be appearing their exams, and also the students passing out from the institution will be moving out of Kharghar because it's more of an institutional area, and the fresh students will be coming in. So we need to, I think that we need to attract those people who are coming in as our fresh clients, and we can expect that crowd to grow because as the year by year the student number capacity is increasing. We can keep that in mind and improve in our category and improve in the merchandising, improve in our inventory so that we can increase in our sales.
Yeah, definitely. Since you say that the new students will be coming and joining and few old ones will be leaving the area. So it's better to do a lot of promotions in the very beginning itself so that the new ones who will be coming to Kharghar, they become loyal to your stores first. Because ultimately if they come to your
Sorry to interrupt. Looking at the merchandise stuff and the assortment, we are not targeting students. Vegetables and fruits,
We are targeting the whole market.
whole market. So we shouldn't look at that it's an institutional area. There are families living here, so we are targeting them. And what I'm thinking is last year, according to the demand last year for mangoes, we have seen we can analyze on those demands and we can look on that, and we should now consider mango to be the main part of the criteria, and we should concentrate on that. We can keep it as a USP and focus more on that. And you need to take care of the marketing thing and you need to take care of the stores.
Reliance Fresh is not just about the vegetables and fruits. It's also consists of other products, as was talked by Prithvi and Kashish. So what do we do about those products?
I'm taking care of the merchandising, so I'm always taking care of the right source from where I'm getting. I'm in good touch with and relation with those of them. And looking at the analysis part, I've studied the previous sales and previous quarter sales, and looking at the demand, and I forecast the demand with the situation going around the city and the demand by people and the economic thing. Like we can together forecast it and we can come to some figures. We need to speak to the financial head and the other people so that they can take care of it, and we can demand this, we can forecast the sales. So according to that, the buying and merchandising will be done, and we'll not have any changes in the visual merchandising thing.
Sorry to say that, Sapnesh, you are always focusing on mangoes. Mangoes are not USP for the Reliance Fresh. Being you are the merchandising manager in the Reliance Fresh, so you always focus on the all items. I am the category manager. I provide you always in different categories for the all vegetables and fruits, etc., etc. But you focus on the merchandising, how to attract the customers and how you visualize everything, not always mangoes. So please consider.
If you being the merchandise head, and I being the marketing head, it's my responsibility how I market your merchandise. But as you see that this is the end of the financial year, this is February, there are many companies who want to show good amount of profits in the month of March.
Stop.
Yes, you can take your respective places.
ताली बजाओ, ताली बजाओ।
डालिए।
इस साले
कोई डालिए।